In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make this absolutely amazing paper airplane that flies over 100 feet. And it is so easy to fold that I'm going to teach you how to make it in literally 60 seconds or less. So grab your sheet of paper. It can be 8.5 by 11 inches or A4, whatever you have on hand. And we're going to begin in 3, 2, 1, go. Begin by folding it in half like this. Open the paper up. And you can fold triangles like this, but leave a little gap between the edge and the center crease. Do the same thing on the other side. And now fold this edge here to land, again, close to the center crease, but not all the way to it. And do the same thing on the other side. And we're going to fold in one more time, just like this, making it really narrow, and you want to leave a gap once again. Do the same thing on this side, just like that. And now you can fold this in half and fold the wings by taking this edge here all the way to that bottom edge, just like that. And unfold that, do the same thing on this side, just like that. And this is a finished paper airplane. So if you want, you can use a little tape to hold that together, but it'll fly well even if you don't do that. So let's see this thing in action.